Let me keep it a beat with y'all boys, man. They tried to take the car, bro.
And I'm looking at the table, I need all above. Bullet in the bundle with the big frames. Nigga talking stupid, I'm a big ape. I hit the road and make big bank. You hit the road and make big blanks. I'm too swift, I'm too smooth. Like a big body truck. Right here, get a switcheroo.
Sliding in that queue, you can't waste my time. You ain't talking about the money, don't hit my line. Hit the real fresh just to fuck it up. Can't let a basic bitch come cuff me up. I'm a young nigga tryna chase them fucking bucks. Here come these Benji racks, I don't give no fucks. You a goofy ass nigga, lil' Donald Duck. How you cuffin' on the thought, shit, a little slut.
I know it's been a couple days, man, but what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Q50 Reggie, and as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I don't really know what this video gonna be titled, but I'm gonna just be telling y'all boys the truth on why I haven't been so consistent when it comes to the Q. I'm gonna first start off by saying car content is very, very difficult, bro. It's not as easy as everyone make it seem, for real. When I first jumped into this, I didn't think it was gonna be like, I thought it was gonna be easy, but I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting, but I kind of wasn't expecting it to be like this hard, if you get what I'm saying. They make car content seem so easy. It's not easy at all, bro. Like, certain things you gotta have money. You gotta have money, like, say people like wanting to see upgrades on the car and all that stuff, but it's like, bro, I don't know, man. For me, money don't grow on trees, for real. So it's like, it's a lot of stuff I want to do to the car, but financial wise, it's not that. It's depending on certain things. I don't have it, and it's also that it's not a smart financial decision for me right now. So, you know, I just do like the little stuff that I could like do myself type shit. So, man, car content, it's hard to keep up, like, not with the trends, because it ain't really a trend for real, but it's hard to like keep up with content because like for example, I want to get bags, but I don't have money for bags at the moment. So, you know what I'm saying, I just gotta find ways to like work with what I got. Like, I don't want to keep spamming y'all with POV drives and all that stuff. Like, I want to branch out to like different content, but I always been like the person to like, if it's not broke, don't fix it. But it's like, for me mentally, like, I mean, for me personally, it's like, I don't want to keep spamming POV content, but if like the supporters fuck with it, then I'll keep dropping it. I don't know. This like a freestyle video. I'm not even going. I don't got no script. I'm not reading off nothing. I'm just venting, bro. Cause it's like, it's about to be 5 in the morning, and I got off work at 1. I went to the gym, and then I just had like a spark of motivation. I didn't feel like going home right now, so I'm just out here making this video in this empty parking lot. It was a guy that came and he prayed for me and all that stuff. He saw me out here just recording, about to record. I had just pulled up and he saw the car, and he came over. We was talking about God and praying. He prayed for me and stuff like that. I'm gonna put a clip in if y'all want to see that. But yeah, man. But I just had a little spark of motivation, because I know I haven't been consistent, but I do have a sponsor on the way for some side skirts, so that video will probably be next. But yeah, man, I know I gotta wash the car. It's just been a lot going on, man. Let me tell y'all boys, I actually just got my tag back today, because I had got my tag took like 2 days ago, because I got my tag and my license took 2 days ago because I got pulled over as I was leaving my house, and I didn't know my license was suspended, and yeah, I had a seize tag. They had to take my tag and all that stuff. But thankfully, I got it back. Shout out to Sergeant St. Ford for real, because he a man of his word. I was very respectful to the police. He was like, once I get my license stuff situated, then I could get it back. Because usually they're not supposed to give it back. So thankfully, I was respectful to the cop and I was able to get my plate back. I got a new license because I'm over 21 now. So in Florida, they got like the, I don't know, they got like the, they got like the license, it usually say under 21 and it's like vertical. But now I got the horizontal one, so I don't know if I just mixed that up or, but yeah, man, this is really just a freestyle video for real, because I don't know, man. You see, I'm out here, it's like 5 in the morning, just in an empty parking lot, bro, because I just wanted to vent to the camera. I don't really got like no people to vent to for real, so I'm like, why not just make some content out of it, for real, for real. I'll probably get you, I know I said I don't want to do POV drives, but I could probably do a POV drive on the way home. It's a clear road, you know, do a little pull. You feel me? So, yeah, man. I just had to get on here and vent real quick. To start off the video, I don't even know what I'm saying, bro. This video all over the place already. I'm just chatting. I know I'm just like yapping, but you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just gotta learn how to let things out, for because me, I grew up just bottling everything in, and yeah, so I'm learning how to express myself more. Feel me? So yeah, I got my license back. Car content, man, like I was saying, car content is not for the weak at all, especially when I'm in Miami. Not too many car people do content in Miami, so I really want to travel to ATL because I know their car scene is real big out there, bro. I just want to, it's just so much stuff that I want to do that I'm not able to do yet because one, I'm working, and two, I don't have the funds for it. So yeah, man, that's why I'm trying to get this YouTube up on the road. Once I get this YouTube up on the road and I'm able to like do stuff, collab with people, branch out and all that stuff, bro, y'all gonna be right there to experience, for real. I keep hearing noises and shit. But yeah, man, I'm about to switch to the next segment of this video because I'm about to get out of here. It's 5 in the morning. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of scared being out here by myself, for real, for real. So yeah, man, y'all boys stay tuned. About to get y'all a little POV drive while I drive home. And yeah, y'all boys stay tuned. It's kind of chilly out here, for real, for real. So do a little pause and stuff with the windows down. I'm gonna just let y'all boys hear the car. Let me get up out of here, bro. I'm kind of scared right now. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't trying to use the blammer. Give y'all boys a little warm start real quick. Let me take it. Let's get up out of here, man. She ride the wave like mermaid. Alright, so the other day, like I was telling you, I had got my license and my driver's license. I got my license and my plate taken away because I got pulled over because of my headlights. And then when he ran my tag and all that stuff, it came back as bad. So, you know, that was a whole nother hoopla I had to go through. So next day, I went to the DMV, got that situated. I got my, god damn, this bouncy ass. But yeah, next day I went to the DMV, got my license back. Well, got a new license. And then that same day I was trying to get my tag, but they weren't answering the phone, so I had to wait till today as I'm recording this video that we called and I ended up getting my tag back. So I'm gonna throw this sport. She ride the wave like mermaid. Shit sound nice, man. Oh, that's a little dark. Let me see if I could turn the exposure up. That shit sounds so good, bro. I don't know. I saw somebody in my comments, they said I should go full downpipes, but I don't know how to sound. I don't want to get it, and then it sounds bad. I felt my shit lose traction a little bit. Can't wait to get a tune. Oh Lord, there's so much stuff that I want to do that I can't do yet, bro. It's just so much, man. Damn. I'm gonna do one pull before I go, and I'm gonna do a pull. I ain't gonna go too crazy. I'm gonna turn back around and do a pull so I can just do my pull and go straight home. I need to change my brakes. My brakes is so bad. It's probably because they not lubed. They don't got no lubricant on it. I'm gonna do a little pull, one more pull before I make it to the crib. Bro, y'all hear that? God damn. I need to get these brakes changed. Alright, one more pull before I get in the house. But yeah, man, that's just a little quick little rant video. Y'all hear that? God damn. But yeah, man, that was just a little quick little rant video, man. If y'all boys new to the channel, damn, smell like something burning, man. But yeah, man, if y'all boys new to the channel, y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. I will be getting that sponsor video up as soon as those side skirts come in. So yeah, man, y'all boys stay tuned to the next video. I love y'all. Thank y'all for 1.3K subscribers, and I'm out, man.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.